That's not what I wanted. Hello, how are you today? So good to hear. Oh, I got some on. Okay. Hi, how are you? So, okay, yeah. This is the very first video I'm filming in my new apartment. I hope it's good because I've been sitting here messing with my lighting and setting and everything, and like, you know, you just never know what you're gonna get until you start editing, and that's just the way it goes. I did an empty apartment tour. If you guys want to check that out, I posted it last week, I think it was. Last week. So now I finally got like it kind of set up a little spot to film in, and that's where we are right now. I haven't picked up my mail in a little bit, and I got a couple of PR boxes, and I thought I would do an unboxing. Now, if you've been following a lot of the beauty drama, it got sloppy for a minute there, right? Well, not even sloppy, it was just kind of like a mess. Anyways, so what I'm getting at is, I know it was circling around that a lot of people get paid to do PR unboxes or even Snapchat unboxes as well. A little transparency here, I guess. First of all, I had no idea that you could get paid to do unboxes and Snapchat unboxes. Why was I the last to know? No one told me that was a thing. This is not sponsored. I just figured I would unbox some stuff and see what's new, what's happening, what's hip, and share with you guys some of the stuff as well. Everything I know is a lie. So this package is from MAC. It's the new Patrick Star products. I think it's awesome that, I mean, how many, this is like his third one with MAC, right? Like, that's amazing. Good for him. Oh, here's the packaging. Cute. It kind of reminds me of like Indiana Jones. I mean that in the best way possible. I love that ride. It's my favorite ride. Oh no, she better don't. Oh no, she better don't. Let's see the palette. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I love the packaging. It's like this chocolate color. That's pretty. I love this. And then a liquid lipstick. This next package is from Hourglass. Look at how gorgeous this box is. Scattered light glitter eyeshadow. Very curious. And features pearls that capture and reflect light for brilliant multi-dimensional eye looks. That was not what I was expecting when I opened this, that's for sure. So it's like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, it's like a pressed pigment almost. This one's called Aura. We have Blaze. This one's called Foil. Reflect. Oh, that one's pretty. Ooh. This one's called Smoke. Smoke on a pancake. So these are the swatches on my hand. This is hand drew. Hi, if you're new to my channel, I know, weird, fake hand, improvise. You know what I'm saying? This is hand drew. He is a latex. Okay, so these are the swatches. I did them with my finger, and they are very creamy and gorgeous. So I'll let you have a look. Look at, oh my god, Aura. Blaze is that second one. Boop. Foil is that gold. Next to the gold is Reflect, and then Smoke is that last one. So pretty. It looks almost wet. Gorgeous. I can't wait to bathe in them. The next item I have here is from Glow Recipe. It's the Blueberry Bounce Gentle Cleanser. Makeup erasing plus deep cleansing. Has blueberry antioxidants, hyaluronic acid. It's going to remove dulling dead skin cells, but moisturizes like a toner for a bouncy, dewy, not stripped or tight feel. So I have seen a lot of people use Glow Recipe as like decor to their bathroom because they have such pretty and like simple packaging. I've been over to like places where they'll have Glow Recipe stuff out on the counter. I don't know if they ever use it, but it makes really pretty home decor. Is that a reason to buy it? I don't know. It is pretty to look at. I don't know. I personally haven't tried anything from them. Well, I've tried like their watermelon sheet mask, but I haven't. Look how cute. I mean, it is cute. I don't know. This is a little package. Ooh, from Buxom. So pretty. Shay Mitchell. I think she has such a pretty, like she's just pretty. Okay, that's really all I like. Pillow Pout Creamy Plumping Lip Powder. Ooh. Blotted lip look is now easy to attain with the first ever plumping lip powder. 10 highly pigmented shades with an innovative wet powder formula delivers cushiony full coverage color and a semi-matte smudge proof finish that stays all day. Here is what the packaging looks like. Focus on this, not on me. Thank you. It has a sponge tip with powder on it. But the powder's in here. It's like a light wash of color. It doesn't feel, because if you've ever put powder on your lips, sometimes it could feel very powdery, very dry, very matte, which isn't necessarily bad, but it is uncomfortable. It's uncomfortable. This doesn't feel like that at all. I don't feel like I'm wearing anything at all, actually. It didn't even come off. Weird. This package is from Nars. Now, I absolutely love Nars. I love all of their products. Introducing a collection of single and duo eyeshadows that deliver incredible payoff, effortless blendability, and rich, long-wearing, vibrant color in a single stroke. So they sent me... Ooh, I knew that was gonna happen. I knew it. So these pop out, which is cool if you like to depot. Oh, it's a magnet already. Love that. So good if you like to put everything in your own palette, if you're a makeup artist or you travel and you want to kind of condense everything. That's awesome, because the last ones, the original ones, you could not get out. I remember using a straightener and I was like clamping it to melt the glue and then like digging it out, and sometimes I was successful and sometimes I was not. I think only a few of them are new, and I'm assuming that the packaging is new because I know for a fact Galapagos, this one right here, and Nightbreed, this shade. I bought these when I worked at Sephora years ago. This one especially was like my go-to for a really dark smoky eye. I was really into it. Looking at pictures, I'm like, okay. We got a package from Moda, and these are the Moda Metallics. Oh, these are brushes. Beep. If you haven't used Moda brushes before, they're from Royal and Landnickel. It's the same company, but these ones are like, they're really inexpensive, these brushes, and they're great quality. Like this brush set, it's the Total Face Flip Kit, and it's 7 different pieces. This goes for $19.99. Again, they're pretty inexpensive and they're great. They're great brushes. So if you need inexpensive brushes, I would definitely check out Moda. I've seen them at Walmart and find them on their website and whatnot. And they're 100% vegan, cruelty-free, no animal products used, which is nice. So they're synthetic brushes. They'll last you a long time. Cool. Thanks, Moda. That's so nice of you. I appreciate you so much for watching. I hope you have a great day today. Make good choices, and I will be seeing you guys very, very soon. Bye.